want to venture to go check out these waterfalls that's in this mountain. There's 2 of them, and then they're steep that climb. Check. See that damn grave area. And there's another trail that goes back that way. Go that one in a minute. Let's check this bottom one out first. That's how steep it is.
No. No.
Go that way. Go down here and check this first one out. You can see it. Look at this. It's a drop. There's 30 somebody down in there. It's a known area. A lot of people come up in here. I'll catch a sign on the way out. A lot of people here actually today. Yeah, here's the first one. They call this the Blue Hole Waterfall. There's 2 of them that I know of. I think that's the first one you come to. Let's get down the bottom so we can get closer to it. Oh, it looks like a cave back in there too. This is very nice and very freezing cold water too. I don't think I'm gonna probably get back in there. We got boots on. That's the first one. I'd like to get in that, see how deep that cave is over there. The deep part's down below. I think there's one. Oh no, that's the, I'm sorry. That's the second one. That's on top. Okay, waterfall. The bottom waterfall is down here. If I'm not mistaken. Bottom one's very small, much smaller. Like it does a split on the way out. That's supposed to be so deep too. Just come up here and jump off the rocks. Call it Blue Hole. See how close I can get like this first one. There's a cavern in here. Here's the waterfall. Wow. Very pretty. I love to sit up here and just relax. I know that water's freezing. When I was kids, they used to come up here. Well, every so often we could and play in it. It's freezing. Look how beautiful that is. Freeze. tells you that this is all natural. Like a cave by itself. If it don't go deep though, just in it. That beautiful water. When it rains, probably got a lot up in here. Like I said, there's a lot of people down here. This is the bottom one. Yeah, it's actually 3 waterfalls. That's the second one. That's the very bottom one. We're at the Blue Hole Springs. It's got like 3 waterfalls down here. Very pretty. That's the first one, the bottom one. That's the second one. You didn't see the first one on top. It's pretty deep down here. It's very crowded down here. A lot of people. Really? You're gonna jump off of here? I'd love to get that on camera. You ain't gonna jump? Huh? Yeah. You have to jump pretty far. See if we can climb down here to the bottom. Check it out.
I know, right? You like it?
Alright, this is the bottom one. See, it's very crowded out here today. Very pretty though. See, the water washed off. It's like an old gully in here. Look at that. That's neat. It's like water settles in there. I bet you some good stuff might be in there. You can see where it rushes off when it storms. I guarantee there's lots of good goodies in there. You'd think anyways. But that's what it gathers. see if we can go any farther than that. Sorry, mountain. I see a lot of people down on the side of this. What's that? Side of the mountain where the water goes. Let's go back up here to the second waterfall. Top this thing. Not the very top. The second waterfall. Oh, do some climbing. Sorry, camera work. A bit steep. Alright, back up to the second one.
Yeah, let's go out that part of it. Woo! That's hard to back all the way back up, mate.
A lot of people coming down in here. Alright, I'm going to come off camera for a minute, so I'm going to get scurried back through here. Get back up that trail. Probably not see if the top of it looks like the rest of the way past the first one. Alright, let's see a minute. Before I went up, I just wanted to show you another view on top of this rock. So here's the bottom look like. Like that. The top one. Right up there. You see it right in the middle of the lens up in the back up there. That's the first one. And the second one. So it's all natural. Blue spring. Or blue hole, I'm sorry. Blue hole. Alright, let's get up to the top and see. Mountain cliffs all the way around it. Damn, this dude just jumped off of this cliff up here, down in there. Wants to see if she does it. Like I said, there's a lot of people up there in the blue hole. Swims every now and then. And a couple people are going to jump off this cliff. Like crazy, but I'll probably do it. Right now I ain't got no swimming clothes. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's beautiful up here though. I love it. Very enjoyable. Let's go up here to the top now. Sorry. Alright, we're up here at the top where the first one is. And get one more view of down. That's where they just jumped off right over there. That's where the green shirt is. That's pretty good far distance. Alright, let's get a view of that first one again. First one. Alright, well let's go up here and walk up on the top. Alright, let's turn the camera off for a minute. Alright, we're up here at the top. First one's down there. We're up here higher. Want to get a better view of it. Just everybody, it's got more crowded, I tell you. Got way more crowded. We still got a hike to go, a little bit. That's just over there. I'd like to go see what's farther than the first one. Alright, let's go see. Let's go see. Let me turn the camera off so I can get up this hill. Alright, on the right up to the top. Notice my battery's flashing. It's about to die. But there, this creek, there's like a little tiny waterfall, I think, up here. Yeah, one on top of the real big one. So we can get that on camera before it dies. Look at that. This is on top of the big one. Man, it's just beautiful up here. That's the big one down there. Look at that. Ain't that fantastic? You see it. Look up in there, there's another, like some kind of waterfall. It's really nice. Well, the battery's about to die any minute. So, if I don't wrap it up, I'm sorry. But, right here, the blue hole. Actually, I want her to turn the camera off so I can get a picture of the thing up front. At the entrance. But that's beautiful. That's the very, very top. And that's the first big one down there. Yeah. That one's big one's right down there. And then the second one's down there where everybody's jumping. The orange t-shirt is. You can't see that on the camera, probably not. There's people down there. So that's the first waterfall. And this one leads up to another waterfall. There's like 4 waterfalls all together. If you count those, that's like two different ones right there. But this is a beautiful place just to come and hike out. And it's surrounded in mountains. In the summertime, it stays nice and cool. But I'm gonna hike back up out of here and try to get a picture of the entrance if the battery ain't dead. Alright, see you in a bit, hopefully. Alright everybody, I went on top of the last waterfall I just saw on this one. And this is what it looks like. It's very pretty. You look in there, there's running water. It goes right down to there. The water spot. There's two waterfalls right here. This one comes off the side of the gully right there. But I mean, it just keeps going up. There's like everything beautiful up here. Just very nice. But you can go up there. My battery's about to die. I wanted to wrap it up at the end on my sign, but there's just so much I want to get. See, there's two of them. One's over there, and this one right here. There's the island. How beautiful that is. It's just, I mean, so much. And it probably keeps going, but I might wrap this up, go ahead and start hiking back out, so I can get a picture of that sign on the outside, an entrance. Can you go? Nah, it's $1. Everybody just comes down here and enjoys themselves. I mean, it's pretty. That water is nice and cold. Couldn't say freezing. I mean, some people might be freezing, but some it might be pretty good. But like that. Alright, I'm gonna turn the camera off, hike up this. That's the entrance up that way. And then I'm gonna get a picture of the sign on the way out. Alright, I'm back up here in the parking lot where we parked, but unfortunately there ain't no sign. Thought there was, but that's the road we come up, and you park right here. And it's a long road trail. If you're willing, and it's on your own risk, you drive it. It goes for miles. I've done it, and it's beautiful. I mean, it keeps going and going. I didn't get to the end, so I decided to turn around. Hell, then my tires weren't too good. But this is the way you go down to the Blue Hole. You park, go down, of course, no alcohol. People leave their trash. That's rude. I don't like it. This is the fence. Just walk down where those people just came from. That's just nice. No, maybe no, can't get no mountains here. But yeah, it's a beautiful place to go. Well, thanks for joining me today on this adventure, seeing these waterfalls, beautiful nature. I'll catch you next time. Please subscribe to my channel.